collision repair technology. Learn the skills required for entry-level positions as an auto body technician. You'll get actual hands-on experience working on a number of customer service cars.
I like to work on cars. My friend kind of got me into working on cars, and he told me about CACC, so I decided to come out here and see what I can learn. I restored this car. It was originally red or a maroon. Fixed the dents in it, changed the tires, and painted it black, and then sprayed the silver, made it fade out. I'm going to the military for mechanics, and then after I get out of there, I plan on going to college and eventually opening up my own body shop.